So, what color is your Bugatti? Oh, well, it's maroon.
A few minutes later.
Ow, ouch. Anyways, guys, welcome back. It's your boy DCS right here on another weekend video. And guys, today's car is really amazing and really entertaining. If you have watched the previous video, which I've uploaded, the intro part of this beautiful, amazing car, it's the Bugatti Veyron 16.4 Grand Sport Vitesse. Guys, this is such a cool hypercar. Like, the series actually started from there, you know, the hypercar series from the Bugatti and the McLaren F1 and stuff. It started going, and then you got the 400 kilometers per hour mark, which was so unattainable, but Bugatti did it, and that's the car which I'm gonna show you today. This car started it all, so it's a really good one, guys, and I have it here behind me. Well, this one is actually from Fun School, and it's a pretty nice car. Like, the details aren't so good and it's not so bad either, and many people know what's the engine behind it. The W16, guys. Yes, the largest engine. Not exactly the largest engine, but it is really big. The surprising part about this car is that it consists of 3 radiators to cool down the engine. Yes, I mean, the W16 engine is no joke, but guys, it is having a lot of radiators to cool it down. The car is worth $2.2 million, which is a lot of money, and it's not really a family-friendly car. So if you really want to store all your luggages, you better get a Koenigsegg Gemera instead of this one. First, let's take a round look of this Bugatti Veyron, and then we'll go for its specs. Here we go. Box is the Veyron, and wow, it looks so amazing. Like, it is quite fat, and it's larger than the Hot Wheels, but it does lack some places, like in details. It just doesn't look all that well, and of course the box packaging wasn't really friendly to this car because of some minor scratches. And guys, the front of this car does look like the Bugatti, but the lights really don't impress me like at all. Like, the glass is fine, but still, they should have put a little more effort into detailing those glasses, but it just looks horrible from this angle. And if you look at the side profile, yeah, no denying it is Bugatti, and yeah, rather than that, it's all fine. You have these all original Bugatti V-rims, which is cool. And here is the back part of the car. You have the Ediro Bugatti logo over here, and it has these vents at the back. You have the single exhaust. Yes, the Bugatti first came with those single exhaust vents, and these are those famous roof scoops, which goes all the way to the engine, which is kind of nice. And here is the interior of the car. Wait, let me just zoom in. Yeah, that's the interior, the exact same interior in the Bugatti Veyron. That's pretty nice from Fun School. It's very cool attention to detail, but they did have to put that effort at the front headlights. Rather than that, it's all looking good. And this is the bottom of the car. You have pretty much the details of this car right here, like its power in PS, and of course the top speed. Well, yeah, it's all written right here. Here it's written the Bugatti 16.4 Grand Sport, which is nice. And there's something written over here too. It's written in Germany, I guess. Well, yeah, that is the overall look of this car. So now let's go for its specs. Okay guys, talking about the specs of the Bugatti Veyron 16.4 Grand Sport. First, let's start off with its engine, because that's what the car enthusiasts want. So talking about the engine, this is the quad turbocharged 8-liter W16, which is also called as the WR16 from Bugatti, and that 8-liter engine is pretty large with 16 cylinders, so of course you can expect the power to be there. And talking about the transmission, this car came with a 7-speed dual clutch transmission, which was from Ricardo. And yeah, 7-speed dual clutch back in the day was really revolutionary. And talking about the horsepower, well, to be precise, it is around 987 horsepower, which is 1001 PS of power. So there it started, the 1000 horsepower hype for a car. And talking about the acceleration time, this car does the 0-60 in 2.6 seconds. That is absolutely mind-boggling even to this day. And talking about the top speed of this car, as you have seen in the looks and details, the top speed is 408.47 kilometers per hour. That's 253.81 miles per hour, which is such an amazing top speed. Like 400 is unimaginable. And talking about the body style, the final part, it's a two-door coupe, guys. And oh yeah, one more thing, I've been missing this a lot. This car is an all-wheel drive. Yes, guys, not rear-wheel drive, not front-wheel drive. It's an all-wheel drive. Well, there you have it, guys. That's the specs. Now talk about the ratings. Let's go. Okay, guys, so the ratings of this car, I've seen its details and its performance. Of course, this thing gets a 10 on 10 on its performance, but in this car the details are pretty lackey, so I give it an 8 out of 10. Do comment your thoughts on this car down below. I'll be checking them out and I'll be replying to each and every one of your comments. Do share this video with all your car enthusiast friends and family. The video ends here, guys. Bye bye. DCS out.
Thanks for watching and do subscribe!